Manage leftover water in the tank and bowl quickly to avoid spills and make safe, clean removal straightforward. Start by turning off the water supply and flushing to lower the tank level, then remove remaining water from both tank and bowl using a sponge or a wet vacuum. For the tank, soak up water at the bottom with a flat sponge and wring into a bucket until the sponge no longer releases water. Or run a wet vacuum on the lowest setting and empty it frequently. For the bowl, use the same sponge technique or position the wet vacuum hose just below the water line and hold it steady while you pump the vacuum. Keep a towel under the bowl rim to catch splashes. If you need to clear the trap and avoid lifting the whole fixture, perform the bucket flush method by placing a bucket under the trap access point, loosening the trap connection slowly and allowing water to flow into the bucket while controlling the rate with a gloved hand. Always wear gloves and eye protection and keep a mop or absorbent towels on hand to address any unexpected spills. After removal, sanitize surfaces touched by the water with a household disinfectant to prevent odors and bacterial growth. A frequent mistake is not shutting off the water supply first, which causes continuous refills and more mess. Fix this by locating and closing the shutoff valve before any work. Another problem is relying only on towels, which saturate and drip. Use a sponge or wet vacuum to remove most water and then finish with towels for drying. People often forget to protect the floor and nearby surfaces, which leads to staining or water damage. Place plastic sheeting or layered towels under and around the fixture before removing water. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide a place where contractors can find new work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences related to water removal methods and other home projects.